After an Albany Supreme Court judge granted a preliminary injunction pausing all CAURD licenses from getting approved, the Office of Cannabis Management submitted a list of names they believe should be exempt from the injunction. And as 2 on Your Side's Keelan Berrien reports, another hearing was held today to see which exemptions were granted.
It's a happy day in the state of New York now that 23 out of the 30 applications for CAURD licenses are exempt from an ongoing injunction, pausing applications from getting approved. It was submitted to Albany Supreme Court by the Office of Cannabis Management. After listening to responses to the list in this morning's hearing, Attorney Elise Bergio says,
okay, well, it's real estate is what's driving this whole lawsuit. If there was accessible real estate in these areas, you know, we might not have lawsuits.
Not to mention they also have to be a certain distance from schools, churches, and other dispensaries.
You're in a small window. You're in a small window for what you can get real estate-wise.
In fact, Bergio says the judge was going to exempt all 30 applications until the plaintiffs made arguments about delivery services. So in return, the judge didn't exempt the remaining 7 because those are different licenses.
The judge right out of the gate was like, oh, it looks like there wasn't any argument to the 30 names. Let's pass it through.
She says if the case would have continued, there's a possibility the judge would have deemed CAURD unconstitutional.
If it's unconstitutional, there's a very strong possibility that everybody, including those who are operating right now, who have brick and mortars, are going to have to shut down because the whole program itself would be unconstitutional then.
After all, CAURD was created for those with prior marijuana convictions. Now Bergio says on September 12th, the OCM will meet to approve the finalized rules packet. It will open the general application window. Then on September 15th, the judge will hear cases from the delivery services. On Your Side in Buffalo, Keelan Berrien, Channel 2 News.